Welcome to 4-Minute Phonics. In this video, we are going to practice reading and spelling words with the suffix IES. This suffix is used for the same two reasons you would use the suffix S. It can make nouns plural or show that verbs are happening right now. We only use IES in a special situation, when we want to put an S behind a base word that ends with a consonant and Y. So we need to turn the Y into an I and add ES. The sound IES makes depends on the base word. If the Y in the base word says I, the suffix says eyes, like in the word skies. If the Y in the base word says E, the suffix says ease, like in the word berries. Now let's read some words with the suffix IES. Here's the first word. We can tell that this word has more than one syllable, so we know that IES will say ease in this word. Let's say the sounds. Ready? B, A, B, ease, babies. Here's the next word. This time we can see it is just one syllable, so we know IES will say eyes in this word. Let's say the sounds. Ready? F, R, eyes. Fries. Great! Now try reading on your own. Puppies. Dries. Jellies. Pennies. Nice work reading! Now we will practice spelling. Get your writing materials ready or be thinking of the letters you would need to use. Let's spell flies. First, we'll spell the base word, then we'll add on our suffix. The base word of flies is fly, so let's say the sounds. Ready? F, L, I. First, we heard F, so we need the letter F. Next, we heard L, so we need the letter L. Then we heard I, so we would use the letter Y. However, we want to spell flies, so we need to turn the Y into an I and then add ES. This is how we spell flies. Let's spell daisies. First, we'll spell the base word, then we'll add on the suffix. The base word for daisies is daisy, so let's say the sounds. Ready? D, A, Z, E. First, we heard D, so we need the letter D. Then we heard A, so we'll use the letters AI. Next we heard Z, so we'll use the letter S. Then we heard E, so we would use the letter Y. But since we are spelling daisies, we need to turn the Y into an I and add ES. This is how we spell daisies. Great, now it's your turn. Spell candies. Candies is spelled Candies because we hear the sounds k and e's. Spell ponies. Ponies is spelled Ponies because we hear the sounds P-O-N-E-Z. Spell spies. Spies is spelled S-P-I-E-S because we hear the sounds sp-eyes. Spell parties. Parties is spelled P-A-R-T-I-E-S because we hear the sounds p-r-t-e-s. Great job! Thanks for all of your hard work. Remember to use the suffix IES, turn the Y into an I, and add ES.